Hi guys, today I'm going to share a super simple recipe using the dried oyster mushrooms which I received from BETI a few days ago. Before using any kind of dried mushrooms in your recipe, you need to soak them in hot water for at least 20 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and now add 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions. Saute them for a minute and then add your choice of vegetables. Here I am using red, yellow and green bell pepper. Now add in the soaked oyster mushroom. Mix well, add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. I am also using the taste maker by the same brand from where I got the dried mushrooms. They also sell the sun-dried mushroom powder which is so convenient to use and very good for your health, so I am gonna add a teaspoon of that as well. Mix everything together, add in 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Now add 1 cup of macaroni and cook it on low flame for 10 minutes. Add 2 cheese slices, let it melt and mix everything together. Cheesy macaroni with the goodness of BETI oyster mushrooms is ready to serve. You can buy their products online. I will leave a link to their website in the description box below. If you want to use the fresh mushrooms, you can get a mushroom grow kit from their website as well.